Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 7 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen wake duration on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the crown button or tap on the screen. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Here scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on the display and brightness option. Here scroll all the way down and at the bottom you have wake duration. Tap on it and here we have two options: wake for 15 seconds and wake for 70 seconds. Basically what wake duration is when your screen turns off like this, goes to sleep, you wake it up by either pressing the button or tapping on the screen. It's gonna stay awake for a certain duration, and here basically there's 15 seconds selected, so it's gonna stay. It will stay on for 15 seconds and then turn itself off after that. So if you wait 15 seconds, it should turn itself off like this. And you can also select the 70 seconds. It's a much longer time. It's gonna stay awake for longer. And but if you select this one, 70 seconds, be aware that it's gonna use more battery in the process because the screen will stay awake for longer periods of time. Okay, select the option you like by tapping on it, and then you can press the crown button to go back to the watch face. You can also change this setting by using the phone app. So let's bring up our phone, our iPhone, open the watch app on our phone. In the app, select the display and brightness, tap on wake duration, and here we can change the duration by selecting one by tapping on it like that, and then we can just go back or close the app. And that's how you change the screen wake duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.